Part 34, Chapter number 4, Organizing. Introduction to Organizing. Organizing is the function of management which follows planning. It is the process of establishing orderly uses for the all resources within the management system of the organization. It is a function in which the combination of human, physical, financial and information resources take place for the achievement of the result. Organizing function is essential because it facilitates administration as well as the functioning of the organization. Organization coordinate each and every resources needed for the organization. The goal of the organization is to set by planning. We know that the first step of managerial process planning. The success of management is not only based on planning but also on the effective implementation of planning. The formal administrative structure that is formed to enable effective implementation of planning is called organizing. The success of management is not only based on planning but also the effective implementation of planning. The formal administrative structure that is formed to enable effective implementation of planning is called organizing. When more than one persons are working towards the achievement of a common goal, the effective organization is essential. Coordinate different persons' work. The success and goal achievement of any unit depends on proper division of work. Division of work means allocation of different work to different persons on the basis of their skill and capability. Distribution of authority and responsibility. Delegation of authority among the employees. The objective which are determined at the time of formation of organizing process are methodically applied and for the same. Organization is inevitable. We can't avoid this process of management. It organize human, financial and other related resources for the achievement of its objectives. Mainly human, physical, financial and information resources are going to grouping together for the achievement of organizational goal. And planning is the brain of business enterprise. Planning is considered as the brain of the business enterprise. Coordination is the soul of the organization and organization is its body. Planning considered as organization brain, then coordination is soul and organization is the body. The meaning of organizing. The structure formed in order to enable delegation of authority and responsibilities towards the people actively engaged for common goal is organization. A structure, we can say that officers or official groups formed in order to enable delegation of authority. Delegation of authority means division of work and authority, power and responsibility towards the people actively engaged. They are continuously working for the achievement of common goal, that is organizing. Organizing is the next important function of management after the planning. In case of planning, the management decides what is to do done in what is to be done in future. In case of organizing, it decides on ways and means through it becomes easier to achieve what has been planned. Hence, organization refers to the identifying and grouping of the work to be performed, defining and determining responsibility and authority for each job position, establishing a relation among various job positions, determining detailed rules and regulations of working for individuals and a group in organization. Organizing is the establishment of effective authority relationships among selected work persons and workplace in order for the group to work together efficiently for the process of dividing work into sections and department for the achievement of common goal. Now we can check about some of the definitions. As per Chester I. Bernard, the activity conducted by the cooperation of two or more people and their coordination is called organizing. As per Louis Allen, organizing is the process of identifying and classifying the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives. Another definition by Theo Heyman. Organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing the authority relationship among them. In shortly, the meaning of organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives for the common purpose to achieve the objective of the organization through collective work by the process of division and delegating of work and responsibility by a structure that is known as organizing.